The Joint Action Committee, along with the JHTA Hills Truck Owner Association, JHTA Hills Clinkers and Cement Association and Meghalaya Truckers Union, on 7th November 2020, continued their protests in Taknyang in Tuber Kamashnong, East JHTA Hills District, by stopping and sending back all the cement and clinker truck since the cement factory under All JHTA Cement Manufacturers Association (AJC CAMTU) did not implement the new price list as they have given their word after the meeting called by the DC for both the parties. Even though the AGMCA had agreed to implement the new price list inside the state as put forward by the government, but the JAC noticed that till date there was no implementation of the new price list. Therefore, the JAC has decided to continue with the strike. This protest was also witnessed by the Chief Minister on his visit to East JHTA Hills District for laying the foundation stone of the Rimbai Government Secondary School and to inspect the tourist spot under 5 villages in East JHTA Hills. The members of JEC were seen protesting on the roadside with placard to meet their demand from the limestone factory, failing which the JAC will continue with their protests.
Ke Sarkar Meghalaya ne ke order yang ke order yang cement factory kete to ba ki karir ke yang ki kete to lade compare kat kam wa karir gi kemut so tengka ciphaunaya so tengka arphaunaya kate kat kam ke existing rate da kombo lade kam te mut nei daw wa kani company man favor go le usu ya kata ga order yang ka Meghalaya ongi waktu host dia pun Meghalaya isui nyau tuka tang cabar yang ke state imsui nyau tuka berhalar ke dong rim kitip bagi waktu umar umi dan pun Meghalaya tu 2% dan hi wapen MKM hapo state kan wa kendai bukan kendai persen ulai umar sebar state nanti daw ongi Meghalaya reduce MG tahu usui pra tengka MG tahu usui haduk kadri tengka ke situ nak kilometer tang kaduan hajuai kaduan bam semen ni hani hanok steng kawan bam semen gim tang citrak haka citia oleh har cibenai mlut tang ini kini semen factory ongki wa hapo Meghalaya sui hadu kaduan 1% nganu doang untuk 10% imarum umi na po semen factory to po Meghalaya kadwa kendai persen wan ulai sebab komod kini company kwa kilai de kedororim kendai penkesan gi untuk EA palat i kun nyau tuka hadu kadwi tuka dang ya pi kamki transporter ya pi kamki nong kit ikimat to lade jiaw yang pidang lai lade jiaw kan ni strike kong film saya so ke yi ka
further course of action yung ki.
Ngamaratin wa kini company kami kini ba ladak sisgi arski strike ki kajing do nang company tu ke ni ba kini tu ke production season kena ko pemi ki gemar ni pentau supply cha bar state dengan maratin wa kini company dau charge score ki haji por lada kini company map ki i kam ke JHC mbanse tenchu chu harus tiau cipna lemper enjing geri banu do nang banwa sa kita kesti giyong iki kam pitre geri hai jing itu o kata kedor wong ne gadio to chadu cha asam kaman su ye po megaliang i nagaliang JHC tu ko widon hi dawai wa to wala mper poi gadio chadu cha del hi lemper se tangwa kat hapo boundary within the state of Meghalaya to implement ke kat kam ka order yang Meghalaya mper adu boundary yang ka Meghalaya mper la egi ke current rate the time mper la egi zero la egi kadwe egi la egi sipia ci sukal mper tangwa demand yang iu to within the state within the boundary of Meghalaya to pengkrek kam ki ka order yang ka state government